Welcome to our showcase of the Kiera Grace Madison Classic Crown Molding Floating Wall Shelves, crafted from durable engineered wood for strength and lightweight handling. These shelves feature a timeless crown molding design that adds traditional elegance to any room. Installation is simple with included mounting hardware and keyhole slots, making assembly quick and hassle-free. They offer functional home decor options, perfect for organizing or displaying your favorite trinkets in living rooms, bedrooms, or offices. You can mount them individually or group them together to fit your space perfectly. Available in multiple colors, these shelves blend style with practicality effortlessly. Transform your walls with these classic and versatile floating shelves today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.